Dear students, this is 7th class Social Science, and today let us continue the lesson Palegars and Nadaprabhus. Nayakas, Palegars and Nadaprabhus. Under this title, in the previous video, we were studying about Nayakas of Keladi, and in that we have studied Hiriya Venkatappa Nayaka, and now Shivappa Nayaka also studied, and the remaining part of Shivappa Nayaka let us study now. He encouraged, dear students, first page number 45, open. He encouraged means Shivappa Nayaka encouraged the traders of Goa to settle in his state for development of trade. Shivappa Nayaka took a decision to invite traders of Goa in his state for what? For development of trade in his state. He encouraged or he invited the merchants of Goa for trading in his state. The Christians of Goa were experts in agriculture, and he encouraged them to migrate to his state and provided land and other contributions. The Christians of Goa, they were originally from Portugal. They were from Portugal. They had settled in Goa, and this Christian community in Goa, they were expert in agricultural activities, plowing, growing crops, working in plantations, like this. That's why Shivappa Nayaka encouraged them to come in his state, and he gave them land also and other help. He provided them land and other help. He made a strict rule that the Christian priest should be a local person. One more rule he made, that if there is a church in that country or in his kingdom or in that village, means the head of the church should be that he should belong to that village. He should be the villager of that church. Then only he will be made as the head of the church. Outsider persons will not be allowed to become the head of the church. The Sistu of Shivappa Nayaka. Now, what is this Sistu? Sistu, we will study. The revenue system. Revenue system means land collection, land tax and other tax collection. Collection of taxes in the forms of various fields, in various fields like agriculture, trade, etc. The revenue system started by Shivappa Nayaka was called as Sistu. The revenue system started by Shivappa Nayaka was called as Sistu. As per this, the fixation of land revenue was based on the fertility of the land. He fixed the land tax, how much that land yields, how much crop or how much yield is there, how much crop the farmers can grow. Based on that He fixed land taxes. About one third of the production was collected as land revenue. One third of the production, whatever they grew in their fields, was collected as revenue. This systematic revenue system was called Shistu of Shivappa Nayaka. This systematic revenue system started by Shivappa Nayaka is called as Shistu of Shivappa Nayaka. The Shistu system led to the development of Malenadu, and that amount or tax collected by the king under the title Shistu, that was used for the development of Malenadu region. Now, Queen Channammaji 1671 to 1696. Queen Channammaji, the daughter-in-law of Shivappa Nayaka. Okay. Queen Channammaji was the daughter-in-law, Swase, Sunbai. She was the daughter-in-law of Shivappa Nayaka. Took over power after him. After the death of Shivappa Nayaka, this Channammaji became the queen, and she was the daughter-in-law of Shivappa Nayaka. She repelled the Mughal army and gave protection to Chhatrapati Rajaram, the son of Shivaji. Once the Mughal army, they were trying to attack Rajaram, the son of Chhatrapati Shivaji, but this Channammaji stopped the Mughals by fighting with them and gave protection to Chhatrapati Rajaram. Channamma, the symbol of valor and sacrifice of Karnataka, fought war even with the Mysuru army. She was known for her valor. Valor means bravery. She was very brave, and she was ready to sacrifice herself for the sake of her kingdom. And even she fought wars with the Mysuru kings. Understand? The Keladi kings built temples. Now, the contribution of Keladi rulers. The Keladi kings built temples, agraharas, and Veerashaiva mathas. Means they encourage all kinds of religions. Aghoreshwar temple in Ikkeri is famous for sculpture. There is a Aghoreshwar temple in Ikkeri, and it is very attractive and beautiful. Sculpture, art and architecture is very fine. The mathas were the centers of boarding. In mathas, there was the system for giving shelter to the people, food and facilities they gave in mathas, and education also they provided, like Morsagar Matha Hubbali. They contributed generously to all the religions. They gave donations, encouraged all religions. Channammaji gifted land for a Christian church in Mangaluru. Even Channammaji gave as a donation. What she gave? Some land for a church in Mangaluru. Next, the Keladi kings, on account of continuous wars with Mysuru and internal wars, the Keladi kingdom became weak. Here, continuous wars Keladi kings had to fight, and internal wars also took place. some ministers, some higher officers in the military, they were also unhappy. That's why the Keldhi kingdom became weak. Later, Hyder Ali occupied the Keldhi kingdom, and in the end, Hyder Ali defeated Keldhi kings and he became the king. Karallo Rani Hello students, now let us study question answers and fill in the blanks. Chronology. What happened in which year? The period of Keldhi rule was from 1499 to 1763 CE. Hiriya Venkatappa Nayaka 1586 to 1629. Shivappa Nayaka 1645 to 1660. Queen Channammaji 1671 to 1696. And occupation of Keldhi by Hyder Ali 1763 CE. Means Hyder Ali defeated Keldhi kings and he became the king of that kingdom. Now fill in the blanks with suitable words. The Queen of Ullal who helped defeat Portuguese was Rani Abbakka. Rani Abbakka. Rani Channammaji repelled the Mughals and protected Chhatrapati Rajaram. Now question answers. Who is called Padu Gadalodeya in the Keldhi history? Its answer is Shivappa Nayaka. How did Shivappa Nayaka encourage the Goa Christians? Students, open page number 45. Its answer is on page number 45, first paragraph. This is the answer. He encouraged the traders of Goa to settle in his state for development of trade. The Christians of Goa were experts in agriculture and he encouraged them to migrate to his state and provided land and other contributions. What is Shistu? What is Shistu? Its answer is on page number 45. The revenue system started by Shivappa Nayaka was called as Shistu. The revenue system started by Shivappa Nayaka was called as Shistu. Who is Rani Channammaji? Who is Rani Channammaji? Its answer is on page number 45 here. Queen Rani Channammaji was the daughter-in-law of Shivappa Nayaka. She took over the power after him. She repelled the Mughal army and gave protection to Chhatrapati Rajaram, the son of Shivaji. What were the achievements of Hiriya Venkatappa Nayaka? Page number 44. He means Hiriya Venkatappa Nayaka. He took out the military expedition till river Chandragiri in the coastal region with the help of Queen Abbakka Devi. He defeated the Portuguese in Mangaluru. He defeated Adil Shahi force of Vijaypur and established victory pillar in Hangal. He encouraged all religions. This is the answer. Write on the achievements of Nayakas of Keladi. Its answer is on page number 45. The Keladi kings here. The Keladi kings built temples, agraharas and Veerashaiva mathas. The agraharas temples in Ikkeri is famous for sculpture. The mathas were the centers of boarding, food and facilities and education also. They contributed generously to all the religions. Channammaji gifted land for a Christian church in Mangaluru. Okay students, here ends the Keladi kings, their contributions and question answers.